Welcome to this MetricCom explainer. Let's dive into farm odor management. It's a crucial warning signal for operational safety.
What if that bad smell wasn't just a daily nuisance, but an invisible countdown to a lethal threat?
Odor actually means biological decomposition is out of control. You're literally losing your grip on basic environmental hygiene. Low oxygen manure breeds serious hazards. We're talking respiratory irritating ammonia, explosive methane, and oxygen-displacing carbon dioxide. We've got to expose the deadliest myth on the farm. Hey, if we can still smell it, we're safe. Take hydrogen sulfide. At lethal levels, the smell vanishes completely. It creates a terrifyingly false sense of safety. So how exactly do we diagnose and treat this massive operational failure before tragedy strikes? We use a clear, MetricCom-guided framework to shift your safety operations. First, inspect. Then, implement corrective maintenance. Phase 1, inspect high-risk zones. Let's get right into it. Workers and livestock are super vulnerable near manure pits, enclosed barns, poultry litter areas, and dairy slurry channels. During your inspections, specifically look for overloaded manure pits, wet bedding, blocked drainage, and spoiled organic storage. Phase 2, implement corrective maintenance. Time to fix the problem. Our control hierarchy needs 4 systematic steps. Improve airflow, remove waste, control moisture, and absolutely monitor those gases. Proper ventilation and frequent waste removal aren't just for comfort, guys. They are absolute life-saving risk control systems. Fixing leaks, preventing runoff, and optimizing feed protein upstream will severely cut your ammonia levels and odor potential. Treat manure pits with extreme caution. These aren't normal work areas. They rapidly become lethal, confined space environments. Entering requires forced ventilation, strict gas monitoring, and planned rescues. Remember, your sense of smell is completely unreliable. Start creating an odor control register. Track your sources and actions. Turn subjective opinions into managed, actionable, operational signals. Perfume won't save lives. Instead of masking agents, smart farms totally rely on better design, data, and clean handling. Odor is a signal. Are you listening? Take data-driven action on your farm today and stay safe out there.